Hello students, welcome to school quiz. My name is Pawan Gupta and in this video I am going to discuss recombination of white light by a glass prism. Okay, now without wasting any time, let's discuss our topic, that is recombination of white light by a glass prism. Okay, so Newton, we know that Newton was a great scientist. He did an experiment. देखो न्यूटन सर did a experiment. What he did, he took a prism and incident a white light. Okay, and we know that when a white light incident on a prism, then this white light scatter. Okay, this white light not scattered, this white light is split into its all constituent color. We know that this is the process, or this is what your dispersion. Okay, according to dispersion we know that. But what Newton sir did in experiment, that he took another prism and he took another prism of inverted prism. He took another inverted prism and put this prism beside the first prism. And what he observed, that when this constituents light color passes from a rarer to denser medium, passes from this prism, then again refraction will occur and it will refract in opposite direction, because this is what your inverted prism. Okay, now this constituent color, after passing from prism, it will again merge and become white light. So this is what Newton sir did experiment. What he did, he take a prism and incident a white light. So according to dispersion, what will happen, this white light is split in all its constituent color, and then he took another prism, another inverted prism, and put that prism beside the first prism. And what he did observe, he observed that all the constituent color of light after passing from prism, it will merge and again become white light. So this is all about your recombination of white light by a glass prism. You see, if suppose this is what he did, this is a prism, and if you put another prism, then this prism will become a glass. Okay, and so this will happen if you put one prism and another prism of inverted, then white light as it split, then again it will become white light. Okay, so this is all about your recombination of white light by a glass prism. Now I am going to discuss one more topic, that is atmospheric refraction. What is atmospheric refraction? I am going to rub this. Okay, what is that? You are familiar with the word, that is refraction. What is refraction? Bending of light. Bending of light is called refraction. But what is atmospheric refraction? Suppose a person is standing in the surface of earth. Okay, this is the ground, this is the surface of earth, and we know that as you move up, we have various types of layer. Okay, different layer, that is a stratosphere, ionosphere, exosphere. So these all are your different types of layer, and this is what, this is your sun. Now we know that sun is the source of energy, and many light rays are coming from sun to our earth. Okay, now we know that this layer, that is stratosphere, ionosphere, and these all layer are not of uniform density. Okay, these layers are of different different density. What is different density? Means that in this, suppose if in this layer you will find the dust particle more, dust particle, O2, N2, all the gases, but as you move up or down, you will find that you will get less dust particle. Suppose if you go up, then in this layer you will find less dust particle. Okay, this region contain less dust particle. So if this region become your rarer and this layer become your denser. Now when the light rays are coming from earth, when the light rays are coming from sun to our earth, these rays are traveling from your different layer, and layers have various mediums, means it has a rarer medium and denser medium. So according to refraction, your light will be bent, okay, because these layers have different densities. So light as the light enter from sun to earth, light will bend or refract. So this refraction, so the refraction of light when passes from this layer, the refraction of light when passes from this layer is called atmospheric refraction. And there are several phenomena which occur due to atmospheric refraction. What is first phenomena? Twinkling of star. What is your second phenomena? Star seems to be higher than they actually are. Star seems to be higher than they actually are. So these are the phenomena of atmospheric refraction. For numericals regarding this topic, please go through our website, that is schoolquiz.com, and for MCQ please sign up.